Welcome back, everyone. If you're having trouble launching Valorant on Windows 11 and keep encountering the VAN9003 error, this means Riot Vanguard requires Secure Boot to be enabled. In today's video, I'll show you some simple methods to fix the problem. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Check Secure Boot and UEFI settings. Open the Windows search bar and type MSINFO32. Open the System Information app. Look for BIOS mode and Secure Boot state. BIOS mode should be set to UEFI. Secure Boot state should be on. If BIOS mode is set to Legacy or CSM or Secure Boot is off, you'll need to make changes in your BIOS settings. Step 2. Access BIOS settings, restart your PC. As it restarts, press your BIOS key. This varies by brand. Common keys are F2, delete, or escape. Once in the BIOS menu, follow the next steps based on your BIOS interface. Step 3. Enable UEFI and Secure Boot in BIOS switch to advanced mode, usually pressing F7 on most BIOS interfaces. Go to Settings, Advanced, Windows OS Configuration. Ensure BIOS mode is set to UEFI. Select Secure Boot and ensure it's enabled. Set Secure Boot mode to Standard. Step 4. Enable TPM 2.0, required for Secure Boot. Go to Security or Advanced Settings. Open Trusted Computing. Make sure Security Device Support is enabled. For AMD systems, select FTPM. For Intel systems, select PTT. Avoid selecting discrete TPM. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making all these changes, save and exit the BIOS. Your PC will restart with the new settings. Once you're back in Windows, try launching Valorant again. Step 6. Compatibility mode, fix, if necessary. If enabling UEFI and Secure Boot didn't fix the issue, you can try running Valorant in compatibility mode. Right-click the Valorant shortcut on your desktop, or find it in the Start menu, right-click and select Open File Location. Copy the Valorant shortcut to your desktop. Right-click the shortcut, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode, and select Windows 8. Click Apply and OK. Now, try launching Valorant again, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the VAN9003 error in Valorant. If this worked for you, be sure to like and subscribe to Error Genie for more fixes and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.